morning. Derek Sanderson coming at you from eXp Realty here in Chico, California. Every Monday I take a few minutes and go over what's happening in the housing market here in Chico, California. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, let's jump in to see what's going on in Chico with single-family residential homes. So as of about 9:30 this morning, there are 136 active homes on the market in Chico with 57 under contract. Now, for those 136 homes, our median list price is coming in at just under $571,000, and the average days on market sitting at 81 days. Again, those are for those 136 active homes on the market currently in Chico. Taking a step back and look at the last 7 days, this is what's going on. Now, it's important to remember that we had a major holiday on Thursday and the 4-day weekend for a lot of people. So we only had 8 new listings hit the market, which is not uncommon the week of a holiday because typically people are traveling or they're hosting and they don't want their home disrupted. However, we had 18 homes go under contract last week, and the vast majority of those happened the 2 days before Thanksgiving and the day after Thanksgiving. So there were plenty of buyers in the market over Thanksgiving, something to think about going into Christmas. And 7 price reductions happened and only 4 homes closed last week here in Chico. Taking another step back and looking at the last 30 days, and there's going to be a percentage under the number that is compared to the same 30 days last year. So in the last 30 days in Chico, we had 54 homes sell. That's a drop of 25% from the same time last year. Average days on market, 35 days. That is a drop by almost 8%. So we saw a little bit of a decline in days on market. So those 54 homes on average sat on the market for 35 days. Now that median list price coming in at $447.6 thousand. That's only 1.5% down from last year. That's honestly negligible when we're talking these kind of numbers. And the median sales price only 0.5% down from last year. Again, absolutely negligible. So for all intents and purposes, we had 25% less homes that sold 8% faster for the same amount of money than last year. And interest rates. So as of about 9:30 this morning, Mortgage News Daily has the average at 7.35, which is a welcome sight from just a month and a half ago where it was over 8. And here you can see what happened in the last 6 business days with interest rates, according to mortgagenewsdaily.com. You can see on the 16th, we had a big drop of 9 basis points, and then it's kind of fluctuated back and forth. It'll be interesting to see what happens going forward into this holiday season. And then every Monday, I post a motivational quote. And this week's is this: if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. So I want to encourage you this week, no matter how small that thing you do might be, the truth is you can still do it with greatness. So it doesn't matter how great the action is, it's the energy, purpose, and intent behind the action that you're doing. Make it the most amazing and great effort, and I'm telling you, it will feel like you did something great. That's all I've got for you for this week's Monday Market Update. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell to be notified every time we go live or post a new video. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.